So this board has an this microcontroller has an LCD driver built right into it, so which reduces the cost of having an external LCD driver. uh, so you can directly couple this LCD screen with this microcontroller without the need of having extra other components, so which reduces the cost of the system. But since to run this driver, it is a little bit complicated than using the external drivers. So let's see how it is done. To use the LCD driver, you first need to copy these files the from your base BSP folder. So these files are located in your uh, STM32 cube. Okay, so this will be the address. So C user folder, then your username, then your STM32 cube folder, and in your cube folder you will have this repository folder which will have uh, your, so you need to go select the STM32 cube FWL4 and whichever version you is latest, or you are using some version. So let's start with the 16. Okay, you need to go into your drivers, then in your BSP, then you need to select STML476. Then from these files you need to select the discovery.c.h header file and the glass and this. So you need to copy these, and then you need to open your project folder. Okay, your project folder will have your, in your project folder you will go into core, then your source, and paste these files. So they will look like this. And after you have pasted this file, you need to go open your STM32 cube IDE. In your cube IDE you will include in the main.c of your project, you first of all you will include this line, which is hashtag include STM32L476 discovery glass underscore lcd.h. And when you have included this, after this you need to go down, and in your main function you need to include this BSP glass initializing function. And after you have included this, you can comment out the initialization of done by the CubeMX. Okay, so you either use that or this BSP LCD glass initialization. After this you can just run this command like BSP glass display. First of all, first function is the message. So okay, so you need to pass the message, and then if you are using the point after it, you can use this. Okay, or so these are the functions you need to include. So first is the BSP underscore LCD underscore class underscore init, which is the class initialization function. They need to clear the LCD RAM. So for that you need to include this function, and then you can, if there is a character, you can display it using this. So BSP LCD glass display character, and then you need to pass the message pointer, okay, reference you, so which is of unsigned integer 8-bit, and the message at first character. And then if there is a if you want to include a point, so a dot, it will be represented by a dot, and if there is a colon after it, you can also use this. And this is the position on which, so there are 6 positions on the LCD, so it will be using the second position. So it is 0 1 2 3 4 5, okay. Then I have included a delay of 5 seconds, then again clearing the RAM. Then I can change the contrast, okay. So let's just change this contrast to some other value. So let's just say, change it to 4, okay. Then I can show a string. So for using the string, you can use this function BSP LCD glass display string, okay. Then what I need to do is go up here and build this project, okay. So one warning is there, but other than the project is built, now I can uh, plug my board into the system, and then I need to click on run. And when I click on run, you can see the changing of the color and a dot, okay. So decimal point is there, second position, and then the contrast is reduced, and we have our message. So that's it. Now if you there are some other functions that you can also use. For that you need to, so if you want to use other features, so you can click on this function, okay, and press F3 on your keyboard. F3 on your keyboard, so it will go to that function definition, okay. Then you can see that there's BSP, or you can browse it from this outline window. So there is display string function, character, bar level, okay. You can show a bar level, contrast, blink, deinitialization, clear, display string, okay. You can or you there is another, it is the BSP glass scroll sentence. So if you want to use glass scroll sentence, I have made I will just copy the syntax, okay. I will now change this string display string function to glass scroll. So I can change the, okay. So first is the message itself, then how many times the message is going to be repeated, and then the speed of the scroll. So if I press on run directly, it will ask me to save and compile and then upload it to the board. So now the file is compiling. Okay, the file is compiled. Then it will upload the function. It will flash this LED multiple times. Then is a dot. Okay, as we have character display. Then hello अब है, hello अब है, and contrast is reduced to a level. So this is how you can use LCD screen. Hello अब है, hello. So after doing 10 times repeating, it stops the and the character the contrast is reduced. So that's it.